Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to tell you how to add an existing local MySQL database to Heroku, to the app that you deployed on Heroku. So let's say you already have deployed your app, for example your Node.js app to Heroku. Um, if you don't know how to do that, you can watch another video of mine to figure that out. So I've already deployed this Node.js demo app to Heroku. So what you have to do is to go into your application and then click on resources, and then here in add-ons search for MySQL and then choose ClearDB MySQL. All right. So there are different plans. You can just use Ignite, the free. Um, the thing is that you will only have 5 MB of database for the free version. Um, so you should make sure that your database is small enough to fit in 5 MB. So provision. All right, so now that you added this ClearDB MySQL, so you have this database attached to your application on Heroku, right? So go to settings, reveal config vars. So this is your database URL. So copy this, all right? And then, so you should have a function like this in your Node.js app to connect to the database, right? So you just copied that, right? Paste it here. So I'm just gonna comment this out. So what I say here is just basically just a function to connect to the database. So let's say you should already have this function, I assume, but it just tries to connect to MySQL using this config that I'm passing, and I'm just passing host, user, password, and database name. And I just say if there was any error connecting to the database, show it to me. If at some point the connection gets lost, um, just call this function again. So this is the URL you just copied here in settings config vars, right? So this part is your username from the beginning till the colon here, and then from colon to @ is your password. From @ till / is the host, and then database name here before question mark and after slash. All right. So now if you save this, and if you, so what you have to do is to where am I? Go to the directory that you cloned your Node.js app, or you have your Node.js application, and you have to push your local changes to Heroku, right? Git add, git commit, then git push Heroku master. So everything up to date. I've already deployed everything. So now your Node.js app on Heroku Cloud is connected to this database, but this database is empty, right? We just created it. You can either just connect to this database, for example, let's say, MySQL -u, you should use that username, and then -h, you should use that host, and then -p, and then the database name. All right, you just have to put these here, and then you can connect to the database, or you can use SQL Pro, which is just like a graphical interface for MySQL, and then you put host here. You put host here, username, password, database, and port. Test connection. Connection success. If you connect, here it is. This is a ClearDB database that you just created. It's empty, right? So if you already have an existing MySQL database and you just want to, copy everything to this new database, what you have to do is to get an SQL dump first. So what you have to do is to run this command. So for example, I have another project that it's here. All right, so I'm gonna run this command, mysql dump -u root, and my database name is called user study. All right, now see, I have created this data dump, that is good, right? Next, you have to import this. So what we did was just exporting a database, a MySQL database, right? Now we have to import this to our new database. So what you have to do is to run this command, mysql -u username -h host, and then the database name, and then just import this in that database, right? So here, what we're gonna do is to use these again, right? So username, host, database name. And then it's gonna ask for your password here. All right. Done. Now, if you go back here and then connect again, user, you'll see that all my previous tables are now here. Awesome. Yay. So yeah, that's it. That's how easily you can just add this ClearDB MySQL and then import your existing local MySQL to it. If you click on this ClearDB link, it should take you to the ClearDB website, and then this is your database. Yeah, so if you click on it, you can see all these performances, status, and system information here. So that's just the username and the password that we just got it from the URL here, right? You can also get it from here. That's it. Good luck.